Lizzie Hadfield from the blog Shop from the Street, and I'm here today with CollectPlus to show you how to take a really simple outfit from day to night. All of the pieces I'm going to show you are available from retailers that use CollectPlus for their shipping and returns, which makes online shopping the most convenient it could possibly be. If you're super busy like I am, it means that you can have your pieces delivered and also return them to thousands of shops throughout the country, so you don't have to wait in for a parcel or worry about it fitting around your work schedule. So we all have super busy lives, and the easier that you can take an outfit from day to night and the more versatile those pieces are, the better. So I've got a really simple outfit here, and I'm going to show you some little tips and tricks to just really elevate it for an evening as well. The base of the outfit is literally a crisp cotton white shirt and some mid-wash jeans. So the shirt we have is from ASOS, and the key thing when you're looking for a white shirt is that the cotton is really nice and crisp, so that when you tuck it into your jeans, it's going to look really great and have a really good shape and silhouette to it as well. The jeans I've chosen are from Levi's. I got these from Very. The high waist is going to be really good for tucking in your gorgeous white shirt, and the longer length means that you could turn them up for daytime in a casual look, or wear them longer with some heels in the evening. The shoes I've gone for the casual look are just some loafers. I do always like an element of smartness in my dressing, but you could definitely go for trainers like these Converse if you wanted to, but I think the loafers keep it feeling really, really chic, which I personally love. So the details that I'm going to be adding into the evening are first a lipstick. This is, in my opinion, the best nude that you can possibly get. It's from MAC and it's called Velvet Teddy, and it looks so different on so many different skin tones, but so flattering on all of them. It suits everybody who wears this. Everyone I know has this, absolutely loves it. And it's just slightly darker than your natural lip, so it's just going to make you look a little bit more dolled up for the evening. In terms of accessorising the outfit, I've got two really simple pieces. So these are things that you can also wear in loads of different looks. It doesn't just have to be for this. A classic black belt with a really big gold buckle is going to be a great way to do it. The gold just really adds a little bit of glamour into things. Would definitely choose that over silver or bronze or anything like that. And sticking with gold, just a really simple but very chic gold necklace here, because you might want to unbutton the shirt a little bit for the evening, so it's nice to have a little bit of an accessory on your chest to really accentuate that look. And then finally, footwear. I definitely prefer to keep things really chic and elegant for an evening, so a classic suede nude core is going to be really, really flattering on the leg with the jeans, but also be really versatile for other things as well. And keeping in with that nude colour palette, and because it is kind of cold still, I've got this gorgeous coat. This is from All Saints via John Lewis. I think that this shade is so elegant. Once again, it's a versatile piece, so you can wear this day to day, but just over the jeans with the gold accessories, it's just going to be the perfect match. So those are my tips and tricks for how to take a really simple, chic, elegant, all those sorts of words, a really beautiful outfit from day to night. As I said, all the items that I've showed you are available from CollectPlus retailers, so you can go and order them right now, have this to wear tomorrow, and then wear it tomorrow night as well.